Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have the parts, now begin. Strip the cable ends to expose power and data pairs, tin each conductor lightly. This prevents fraying and eases solder flow. Identify VBus, G&D, CC1/CC2 and SBU lines on the connector. Once done, pre-tin connector pads and wires. Apply flux so solder wets quickly. Make sure to keep pairs separated to avoid shorts and use Captain tape to mask nearby pads. Work quickly but precisely to keep joints clean. Now focus on the PD controller and CC wiring. Solder VBus and G&D first. These carry the most current, so minimize length and use broad solder fillets. Then solder CC lines to the PD controller or place correct fixed resistors if you want simple default currents. Route data and SBU lines away from power pads to reduce interference. Once soldered, inspect visually, then check continuity and short circuits with a multimeter. If readings look good, proceed to mechanical stabilization. Finish by securing joints and creating strain relief. Slide heat shrink over the assembly, apply hot glue for reinforcement, then shrink carefully. Keep the PD chip accessible if you need to adjust. Test with a proper PD power source and a USB-C power meter to confirm voltage negotiation and current delivery. Observe proper voltage stages during handshake. If it fails, recheck CC resistor coding, continuity on CC and SBU, and cold solder joints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.